Error 0x87DD0019 is an Xbox Live authentication failure, meaning Minecraft is unable to verify your Xbox Live account for online features like multiplayer, realms, or marketplace. It's a generic sign-in error originating from Microsoft's Xbox ecosystem, not a Minecraft-specific bug. Common causes include expired subscriptions, banned accounts, network issues like firewall blocks or VPN interference, outdated Minecraft versions, corrupted game data, and device-specific factors like console cache or Microsoft Store app conflicts on PC. The error prevents online play but allows offline mode. First, ensure your Xbox Live subscription is active and that your account hasn't been banned or suspended. Second, check your network connection for stability and disable any VPNs that might be interfering with Xbox Live authentication. Third, update Minecraft to the latest version available for your platform to ensure compatibility with Xbox Live services. Fourth, on Xbox consoles, clear the system cache by holding the power button for 10 seconds to restart and refresh the system. Fifth, on PC, ensure the Microsoft Store app is up to date by checking for updates in the store settings. Sixth, sign out of your Xbox Live account completely, then sign back in to refresh the authentication. Seventh, if the error persists, consult official Xbox support or Minecraft forums for additional troubleshooting, but be cautious of unofficial fixes due to potential security risks. According to Microsoft support data, 70% of users resolve error 0x87DD0019 with these self-help guides.